3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Forex Trading Show. Forex trading live every weekday morning. Real trades, real profits, zero analysis. Set back, relax, and get ready to profit. And now, your host, Terry from FXWithTerry.com.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Forex trading extremely early for me right now. I'm excited. Inauguration day. May God keep President Trump alive so he can fix this country. Anyway, how you doing? Let's trade some Forex. I'm not political at all, am I? I'm not emotional. Free signal is up here showing on the screen. It closed in profit. You're welcome. Very nice profit right there. Depends on what you bid, depends on your account. These trades are fully scalable. You do not have to bid what my system is bidding. You could bid more, you could bid less. You can curve fit it to your account. You can make it work on any account. If you want to take more risk and you want to get deeper into trading, you can do that with my system also. All sorts of different feeds, as I call them. I have a main algorithm. We'll look at that right now, and we will choose another signal that I give away totally for free, completely for free. So let's check this out. Pause screen here, and let me move something around. There we go. Anyway, pause screen. Let me pull up the full algorithm. I believe this morning is going to go pretty quick because I'm tuning into the inauguration live stream in 28 minutes. So full algo, let me pull this up. I will share this with you. We're at about a $400, $500 drawdown. What are we looking at? 24 trades. And closure overnight, $149.28. And this is just a sample of my full algorithm. This is all of the trades in play right now, all fully automated. When they take profit, they take profit. When my trade takes profit and you're copying it, it copies directly to your account and takes profit. So whatever currency pair limit you're trading, this is the full. But whatever currency pair limit you're trading, you can trade one pair, you can trade 3 pairs, you can trade multiple pairs. I have different feeds. We trade gold, things like that. So now I constantly say this, and it's just a simple fact. It's math. My trades do not lose. They are designed to win every trade. Can your account handle that? I don't know. I don't know if your account can handle that many trades. I don't know if you can bid that much on your account. That's where just a little bit of practice comes in. You start out conservative. You start to get a feel for what you can bid, what you can't bid, what you can do, what you can't do, what you can risk, what you shouldn't risk. That's what we talk about inside the group. Want to talk about it more? My phone number's on the screen. Text me. We'll set up a time to talk. Just make sure I'm not taking a nap or something, because my automated system is doing all the work. A little bit of coffee this morning. Practically going to be a lot of coffee this morning. I'm up a full hour earlier than I normally would be, just because I want to check out this inauguration. So as far as a trade goes, I'm looking at what's open here, and you'll notice my system trades in baskets. AUD CAD, 1 trade. AUD NZD, 1. But AUD USD, if you look at it there, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. That actually looks like a really good trade, just right off the top of my head. AUD USD is a great stable pair. Let's look at it on the chart. Let's see. These are all sell trades. Wow, it's actually pretty close. That's pretty close to take profit. You know what? Let's jump into that. That'll be a good trade. Start out the week here. So AUD USD. And I said there were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's do this. So AUD USD number 4. Let me go to the pause screen here. Let's go back to the free signal. That way I can pull it up for you. AUD USD number 4. I'm going to type it in on my end here. And I will launch it momentarily. Trade number 4. There we go. And back to this. There you go. AUD USD sell trade. You can go, if this is the first trade you're going into, you do not have to go into it at a multiplier of 2, which you can see on my screen here. It is showing a 0.20 lot size. You can do that. Nothing wrong with bidding a little bit more on this trade just because of the stability of AUD USD and the fact that we are not that far from take profit. If I were to measure that on the screen, about 10 pips, roughly. Doesn't mean it won't pull back. Doesn't mean we might not have to go into another, scale into another trade or more. But pretty unlikely given the stability of AUD USD and then what was created here. Some fair market value, a imbalance in the market, pushed really hard away from this area, and that means the banks are in drawdown to be able to get they're in a negative right now, drawdown, because this price had to push so hard, and now it's coming back. I estimate that this will probably take profit this morning or soon, maybe even while we're here on the call. I'm no fortune teller, right? Remember, I'm an idiot. Don't follow my advice, but that's what I'm seeing on the chart right now. You take your risk as you see fit. Looks like a good trade to me, though. So, in doing that, we've got the free signal here. We've looked at the full algorithm. We looked at what has been closed so far overnight. We're expecting, I heard a decent amount of volume last night. We're expecting the markets to explode, whether it be today or every day moving forward, because of all of the positive, life-changing, world-changing things that are going to happen today, starting at approximately 2 p.m. Eastern Time, when Trump signs, what, a couple hundred executive orders, get this country back in order. That's got to shake up the market. It's got to shake the hell out of it. Speaking of that, let's actually go look at gold. I know we're in some gold trades here, and I want to talk about it, and that's probably the extent of what I'm going to talk about this morning. So let's see here, gold. Now I'm going to show you the actual feed that I publish. So it's coming out at a minimum lot size. So don't pay much attention to that, because when you take it on your account, you're either taking it at the lot size I give it to you, which is a base 0.01 base lot size, or you're scaling it up. Gold can be a little bit scary to scale up. However, if I come here, you'll be able to see we're in a couple gold trades. Some very interesting price action and some interesting algorithmic automated trading stuff that I'm doing here. We are in a sell and a buy at the same time. The sell is the main direction of the algorithm. The buy has been added as a hedge. And we've been taken out of this hedge about 8 times. And it either takes a small little loss or it breaks even on that particular trade. I can show you the base history here of all of the trades. So it's in a negative $11.24 right now. But the basket of trades, which is this is the main basket, and this hedge, this second trade, this buy trade, just keeps getting taken out if you look at the history here. So all of these buy trades, it just keep kind of getting taken out. 5 cents, 39 cents, 69 cents. It's not a lot. Unless, of course, you're scaling it up a lot. But the point is, this original sell trade has pushed against us. Let's look at it on the chart. Let me see if I can get a time frame that looks a little bit more visually pleasing. Obviously, it's just some absolutely crazy whacked sideways movement here. But you can't see it on the chart. Look at gold yourself on your mobile device or on whatever charting software you use. XAU USD, I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. There are massive wicks down here. Wicks on the top, so it's just pure 1,000,000% manipulation by the big banks, the institutions, and it has taken out the stop loss like multiple times. We finally have our hedge trade down here that is now set at break even. They tried to take it out. You can see it back here. Probably did take it out and it replaced itself. So, although you're seeing a net negative, the basket of trades is not closed yet. I would say at this point, because that hedge got taken out so many times, this is probably going to be a break-even trade. But the point behind the auto hedge recovery system is to not allow a currency pair like gold against the US dollar to run so far away with so much pricing power behind it and wreck accounts. We've seen that happen. I would rather have protection if the market's going to go hard against and basically be very profitable at that point, as opposed to trying to be profitable every time without any protection of it running against. So still kind of tweaking the algorithm here. And what's the tweak? The tweak is how much room to give that hedge, how much stop loss, when to set it at break even. If you give it too much, you take higher losses. Too little, it continues to take tiny little losses and re-add itself. So I feel like we're getting at a sweet spot here, whatever it's set at, and be patient with it. I think it's going to be really, really good. And I think, I'm pure speculation, but I think that gold could potentially be shook up today because of the election. Or if there's low volume because of the election, then it certainly could happen this week. But we'll see. We don't know how the market's going to react. I think they're going to react, and we need it to react one way or the other to be able to, get back into high volume trading and profits, trades that push and markets that have volume in them. We haven't had that in the last probably couple months. All right. I believe that's really all I wanted to look at. Still stuffed up. You get to hear me sniffling. Let me look through the accounts real quick while we're paused here and see if there's anything significant in terms of certain trades that I might want to share. We've pretty much looked at everything. Let's take a look at this. So here is me. Here's an account that I have. Started out at $10,000. We're up $7,881 in, I believe, if we go right to history, in a month. Yeah, $7,436 in the last month. So nearly, so a 75% gain on this account. I'm trading a very particular feed that I provide called the One Profitable Pair feed, matched up with what I was talking about on gold there, auto hedge. So it allows me in this account to trade one pair at a time, and if that pair goes against, I'm bidding an outrageous amount. If that pair goes against, the system will start auto hedging and protecting the account. That auto hedge allows me to bid a lot more than I normally would. So history-wise, $143 closed for the day. And if you look back the past week of trading, $1,361. And the goal here with my system is 100% net profit. Does take some patience if you're waiting for a basket of trades to close. Meaning, let's take what we're looking at here on the screen. USD CHF. It's a basket of 2 trades. If it goes into any more, it's going to start hedging. It's going to start placing some sell trades. If those sell trades get taken out because of price action, those sell trades being hedges in this particular basket, a hedge trade, if it gets taken out, the system will continue to trade and continue to protect as well as it can. So that gives me the confidence and or the ability to risk a lot more than I normally would. That's the idea here. The more risk you can take, the more potential profits. Demi, in the comments section, said, just quickly, can you tell me the take profit on the OPP trade? I believe this is a unique one, so stand by. We'll go look at the actual One Profitable Pair feed. Just got to think about what the account number is here. I believe it is... Man, I have so many accounts. Here it is. I believe this is it. Yeah, let me share this with you. So one of our members was asking what the take profit is on the Euro JPY sell trade. It is 161.569. I think it's kind of funny when I see people ask that, what's the take profit on this? Like, it's all there for you. If you're a subscriber, you have access to all of this. Typically, people do not copy the take profit, but it doesn't really matter. One way for you to see the take profit on this trade, if you're trading this trade, is go into the Premium Signals monitoring account. She says we can't see it. We can't see it. What can't you see? Although you heard me say it. TP 161.569. Tell me why you think you can't see it. Demi is probably drunk again this morning. I think she has a drinking problem. Lost my train of thought there. Oh, if you go to the Premium Signals Monitor account, you'd be able to see the take profit for each particular pair. Demi says, whenever my algorithm enters, I don't see TP. I'm just curious, you know You know me by now. Yeah, I know. Listen, if you're TP obsessed and you need to know what your TP is, go into the copier, Social Trader Tools, and go to that copier that's set up, and go to the settings and choose Show Take Profit, Copy Take Profit. It slows the copy process down a little bit. Not going to hurt anything, but I like ultimate. Copying is not required to have all of that extra data. Pending orders, take profit, stop loss, updates, So I just like to have it happen in a speedier fashion. So, and Demi says, I can confirm I'm drunk. Not I'm drunk, she's drunk. So I believe that's about all. One more pause screen. That's about all I really want to look at. I have a lot of different accounts I'm monitoring. However, there's nothing that I would share outside of that right now. We'll end up back on the free signal here. So just to end with this, it is an AUD USD sell trade, and yeah, it's going back and forth. If we get any movement, it would be later today and or moving forward, because after the election goes off here. So yeah, that's it. There's really nothing else to share with you there. Appreciate you watching. Happy Inauguration Day, Monday, January 20th. Let's see what we're going to shake up in this market. Any questions, go to fxwithterry.com. Join it says Telegram group right now. You would go into the Discord group, but eventually it'll be fully starting out. All brand new people that are coming in. You'll get to see access to the free trades and the results, and even this daily live session. You'll get access to that through the Telegram group. And or text me, and from wherever you are in the world, text me, and we can get on a call if you want to. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'll explain the entire system to you. Don't be that person that messages me and says, can you show me results from one of your systems? This is a fully scalable algorithm. There is no one result. It's scalable from a $50 account to a $5 million account. Which one do you want to see? Anything in between? Right? And I still wouldn't show you an account if you were like, well, show me something on $10,000 because I have $10,000 to invest. My risk appetite is probably way, way higher than yours. So if I show you my account where I'm running that sucker at 70% drawdown, you'd be like, this algorithm sucks. No, it doesn't. There is no sucking or not sucking to this algorithm. There is you. You take my trade and you trade it inside of your account. It's fully scalable. There are no results. There's whatever result you want. Whatever result pleases you. And I wouldn't be able to keep track of millions of different results accounts just to please you and what your risk appetite is and or your knowledge base about Forex. But nonetheless, I'm giving you a trade, and I'm giving you dozens of trades, if that's what you want, that do not lose. They mathematically do not lose. They always win. My system is spot on. Spot on. Ask anybody. So that's it. Hope to talk to you soon. Definitely see you tomorrow, Tuesday, January 21st, where we have 47 sworn into the office. And it's like traffic just starts opening up and gas starts getting cheaper. Food is free. Money for nothing. You know what I'm saying? All right. I'll see you later.
Thank you for joining us on the Forex Trading Daily Live Show. Get access to all of the free trades with full auto trading at fxwithterry.com. Be sure to subscribe and get notified of the daily live stream. And get ready for your next profitable Forex trade.